So I'm about to show you the biggest piece of crap I've ever bought.
He's burning a lot of oil.
Facebook Marketplace, and this thing popped up last night. A couple $100, so I had to buy it. I don't need it, but here it is. And this is definitely the roughest thing I've ever bought. But as long as it kicked over, I said I'll buy it. So kicks over. Every bit of this bike cosmetically is no good except the seat, which is good because the seats are one of the harder things to replace, honestly. Everything else is a mess. Like part of the frame's painted. It's got a weird fender on it. The handlebars are bent. The shifter's bent. Everything about this thing is just trash. But for me, a couple $100, new plastics, and just a couple hours of tinkering, I can probably get this bike running, driving, and looking pretty good. So in this video, probably just going to try to get it running. Maybe take off the ugly stuff, put some air in the tires, and see if I can drive it around the driveway, or at least get it to start in the garage. And then we'll see where we can go from there. If I can't get it running, well, I'm not going to waste any time or money making it look nice. So anyway, I'll show you. Okay, so here it is. It's a 2001 XR50 with a hideous little fender. Like, everything on this bike is trashed. Like, I'm gonna sit down here. Got a ugly fender that's garbage. The number plate's got an ugly number 1 painted on it that I gotta take off or replace. The shock guards, those are painted, so I gotta clean those off or replace them. The handlebars are all bent here. The hand grips are garbage. The fuel cap's painted. The kill switch is bent and broke, and it's missing like the actual part. Swing arm's got black paint on it. Plastics here that are 1 piece. You can put the 3 piece, but this one's a 1 piece originally. It's broke. The seat's good though, so I'm able to see this whole piece of junk and say, it's got a nice seat, so I gotta buy it. And if you look past all the ugliness, the motor, it's all there. It's got the original airbox, carb. Every bolt's got this piece. Like, the whole thing's there. So I think I'm in good shape mechanically, but cosmetically I'm not in a good place. The chain is right here. Back tire's garbage. Back fender's got a hole in it. So yeah, this thing was owned by somebody who shouldn't have owned it, but I think it's in the hands of somebody now who can hopefully get it fixed. So I'm gonna see what I can do. Check for spark. Drain the tank. I might actually hook up my little, I got like a little IV drip fuel thing so you can kind of bypass the tank just to get something running. So I might do that, but I also might just, like, I gotta clean the tank out anyway, so I might just clean the tank, carb, and see if we can get her going. So this is the dirtiest carburetor I've had in a while. Oh crap, this thing was just running. Like, they said, oh yeah, I put some gas in it. It started smoking a little bit and we shut it off. I don't think. Like, anyways, I'm gonna continue to clean this for another hour, probably. And we'll get her going. This is the pilot jet here that has never been cleaned, and this bike hasn't ran in, I would say, at a minimum 5 years. By the looks of it. Not last night. Not that I'm complaining. This literally was like a couple $100, and it'll be a pretty cool running bike when I'm done, so. No light. Still nothing. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here. I'm just trying to shove a wire through this pilot jet. Oh, you see light? Almost. Hey, got her through. So now we'll just work that back and forth, and Man, I think this came from the bottom of the lake. Like, it's dirty. So the carb's done. I don't know why people lie about, like, again, I'm not complaining. This was a couple $100, so, but I don't know why people lie about how much, like, yeah, she was just running the other day, so it didn't take much to get her going. This thing was not running the other day. Like, drives me nuts. Okay, carb's done. Dirty on the outside, clean on the inside. Oh man, look at the air filter. Like, man. But I'm not sure why she wasn't running. It was like a dirty coffee filter. So I'm gonna replace that air filter, but for today I'm not. I'm just gonna put it in. Probably do a quick oil change and start her up. I didn't even check for spark yet. She stops a little. She's burning a little oil. Huh. She's burning a lot of oil. She's smoky. But it sounds nice. Valve train wise and stuff.